Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Firstly, just open settings and tap on the lock screen and wallpaper. Now click on simple mode and click on the grey sweater next to simple mode to activate it. Then tap on experience now at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into devices settings and tap on exit simple view at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!